Bibi Rasti was informed to name the child as Bahu, Ba meaning with and Hu meaning Allah. Strong maternal care with supervised spiritual tutelage led him to the higher echelons of transcendence. Simultaneously, she focused on him undergoing in aesthetic phase. It was also the time to seek Murshid, a perfect guide to achieve the divine pleasure. Hazrat Sultan Bahu visited many shrines, tombs, and became familiar with the Alum Ahle Kabur, the knowledge about the Sufi saints in their graves. It seems Hazrat Sultan Bahu was destined to be closest to Shah Abdul Qadir Gilani, who later on became the beloved, most venerated Murshid of Hazrat Sultan Bahu. It was so sublime that superior spiritual elevation developed by the loving association of Shah Gilani presented Sultan Bahu to Hazrat Ali, obviously the ultimate source to be in the company of the exalted Prophet. The highest honor made Sultan Bahu to be Sultanul Arifin, that is King of Gnostics, because he not only received closeness to Messenger but also bestowed with supreme felicitation to further the cause of Deen Islam. Hazrat Sultan Bahu authored more than 100 F40 books in the Persian language on mystical truths. In the Indo-Pak subcontinent, he is renowned for his Punjabi poetry, Abiyat-e Bahu. Like all Sufis, Hazrat Sultan Bahu's mentor is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who 1400 years ago taught and upheld ideals of social justice, respect for human dignity, equity, equality, rights, duties, and accountability. This is what Sultan Bahu refers in his contribution as to be endowed with an evergreen budding sapling to jasmine. It is being further sought to whosoever deserves it. There is an ecstasy of love that you will repeat vocally and verbally, who, in unison with heart and soul, constantly developing every breath in contemplation of him who, as said by Bahu, the soul merges in a sense of the Lord, then will you deserve the name Bahu. This is so exhilarating that being a Fanafillah merges in a sense he was bestowed with the power to embellish the souls from a king to a common man. Sultan Bahu was a prolific writer in prose, but especially poetry full of Arifana Gnostic language, literature which directly appeals to the soul, heart, and head. He was also deeply influenced by Maulana Rumi, literature of spiritualism. The Abiyat of Sultan Bahu actually nourishes a soul so deeply that appreciations become soul inspirations. In 1691, at the approximate age of 62, Hazrat Sultan Bahu relinquished his temporal duties and was buried in Qila Kargan, located near river Chenab. His shrine is located at Gar Maharaja Jhang, Pakistan. His shrine remains one of the most visited shrines of Pakistan.